Hello friends, in today's video we are going to write how to make sentences from the given words. Let's start. Number 1. Who? Who will play with me? Question mark. Number 2. New. I have a new bat. Number 3. Must. You must obey your teeth. Number 4. Eat. Did you eat your lunch? Question mark. Number 5. Black. My favorite color is black. Number 6. Soon. She will leave soon. Number 7. Our. This is our house. Number 8. White. The cat is white. Number 9. Say. I say hello. Number 10. Under. The dog is under the cot. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.